Hi guys, first of all, congratulations on your graduation. I'm sure you guys are excited about what the future will bring, and I'm sure many of you are keen to work in the aerospace industry. And that is the reason why I'm here today to share with you the story of my company and to share with you my experience in the aerospace industry. In which at the end of this talk, I hope that this might give you some idea about the career path in the industry and perhaps inspire you to explore more about the aerospace world now that you have the degree with you. My name is Naram, and I'm currently working with Rolls-Royce, Thailand. I graduated from Chulalongkorn University in 2013, and on the same year, I continued my master degree in aerospace engineering at Kingston University in UK. And it has always been my dream to work in the aerospace company. So when I completed my master degree, I moved back to Thailand and I joined a company called Triumph Aviation Services Asia as a repair development engineer. At the time, my main task was to design and develop the repair schemes for the aerospace products, mainly APU, thrust reversers, wheel and brake, and so on. So I did that for a year and a half, and then I was offered a position with Rolls-Royce in Singapore, in which I accepted without any hesitation. So I worked as a service representative for almost 4 years before I got promoted, and then relocated to Bangkok branch in January this year. But before I talk about my role, I would like to give you a brief introduction to my company. Over 30 years ago, Rolls-Royce introduced the Trent engine series to the aviation world. Our turbofan engines are of unique 3-spools design, which allows the high pressure, the intermediate pressure, and the low pressure systems to run at the optimum RPM, enhancing the maximum performance from the engine. So the maximum thrust range from 62,000 pounds to 97,000 pounds, and the member of the Trent engine family are now in service with the Airbus A330, Airbus A340, Airbus A350, and Airbus A380, as well as Boeing 777 and Boeing 787 Dreamliner. And so far, our Trent engines have done more than 145 million flying hours since entry into service. So our main headquarters is in UK, in the city called Derby. However, over time, we built other facilities globally as well. So Rolls-Royce have been in Thailand for more than 40 years. We have been supporting the customers within the country, including our long-standing customer, Thai Airways, whose fleet is mostly powered by Rolls-Royce engines. The partnership between Thai Airways and Rolls-Royce can be seen in the large construction of the engine test cell in Don Mueang International Airport. We also support customers like Thai AirX, Scoot, and Thai Lion as well. These are the new airlines that start using the wide-body aircraft and Rolls-Royce engines within the past few years. So you might be wondering, what exactly are we doing with our customers? So we not only sell engines, but we also provide technical services, spare engine support, component repair, and the engine overhaul programs. And my job exactly is to represent Rolls-Royce and provide all kinds of support to our customers, as mentioned earlier. And we make sure that their aircraft can take off on time every time, and also improve the product reliability. So I'm required to have good relationships with the airline as well, make sure that they are happy with our product. And we also have the team in UK called the Aircraft Control Center to provide operational support to the airlines to make sure that they keep their fleet flying, and this is to ensure that there is minimum disruption to their operations. But right now, our industry is facing one of the greatest challenges in our history, and that is the COVID-19 pandemic. So we are seeing the significant impact on the engine flying hours and a decrease in the aircraft deliveries. Hence, we are trying our best as a company to cope with the impact of the COVID-19. And in this difficult and unprecedented time, our customers and partners are doing everything they can as well to repatriate passengers and keep goods and medical supplies moving. So while many passenger flights are cancelled, we are starting to see an increase in the cargo services to transport goods and to keep the supply chains in place. And we need to make sure that we can provide all kinds of support to them. So it seems the aerospace industry is taking a big hit, but I'm certain that this will slowly improve to the level where we were before the COVID-19. And we are hopeful to see the aircraft back flying again and the rise in the engine and aircraft orders. So lastly, I hope that this provides you some insight, and this is just the beginning of your long journey. The only advice I would give to you all today is to stay curious and be open-minded. I wish you all the best with your future. Thank you very much.